In this video, we will show how to create a fixed asset master data in Master Data Governance for Financials. Let's assume that in your company you are responsible for the processing of financial master data and you want to create a new fixed asset. Once you search for the required fixed asset in the MDG system to confirm that it doesn't exist, you create a change request to create the fixed asset. You send the change request to a master data specialist who checks and, if required, modifies your entries. She then forwards the change request to a master data steward for final approval. The search now returns the new fixed asset, and you can open it for processing from the result list. Now let us take a look at the process of creating a fixed asset in the MDG system. To check whether the fixed asset you need already exists, open the Fixed Asset Search. In the description field, enter the name of the fixed asset you want to create and select Search. The search doesn't return any results, which means that the fixed asset does not exist. To create a change request for the new fixed asset, select New. Create a change request type and Addition. Choose OK to save your entries. In the Change Request section, enter a description. In the Asset Details section, enter a fixed asset description, company code, and asset class, and hit Enter or click on Check. The account determination values and description will auto-populate based on the above selected asset class. In the Fixed Asset Long Text section, select New and select Long Text Key 01 and enter long text. In the Origin section, select Create and enter the details. Similarly, provide data in Allocation section, Time Dependent section, and Depreciation Areas section. When you are done, click on Check. As there are no errors found, click on Save and Submit. The system confirms that your change request has been created. A master data specialist now calls up the change request that is assigned to him. In his inbox, he sees the fixed asset you requested and calls it up to check it. Data specialist reviews the data entered by the requester. Data specialist also adds the missing information. In this scenario, the data specialist changes the serial number. He then clicks on Save and finalizes processing of the change request. The system confirms that the processing of the change request has been finalized. A master data steward now calls up the change requests that are assigned to him. In his inbox, he sees the fixed asset that has been checked by the master data specialist. He calls up the change request. The data steward checks the data and changes the replication timing, and then clicks on Save. And then finally, approves it. The system confirms the approval of the change request by the master data steward. Once you received the confirmation of the approval of change request, you will find the new fixed asset in the system. The system now displays the fixed asset in the result list, and you can use it for further processing.